Alright guys, so first things first, remove the house battery. You see that rust hole there. It's getting even bigger from the last time I looked at it. And here, went ahead and ground off some of the paint where the good metal is. And I'm going to cut this out. And I bent a piece of 20 gauge sheet metal here. Okay, so I'm going to cut this out. I don't think you can see the line that I drew, but using my high-speed grinder here. Okay, so I got the rust cut out. I put in a new piece of sheet metal here. I use a flux core welder, so it didn't turn out exactly the way I want, but it'll be strong. And all the rusted metal kind of fell out as I was cutting it out. So anyways, keep on going. Oh, and here's my patch. So the patch is going to go in kind of like yo, something like that. Seems to fit pretty well. Okay, so I have the patch cut out to the rough shape, and I have it clamped down in there, and I'm going to spot weld these holes. I have a spot weld patch. So anyways, I'm using my Lincoln, my 140C. Here's the trigger there, my magnetic ground. I was having some problems finding a decent ground, so the first couple welds really sucked. Yeah, look at that one. That's not my finest work, folks. But now that I have a decent ground, I do some grinding, and I'm going to stitch weld all the way across down to here, and it should be pretty much good as new. All right. Okay, so here's everything pretty much sealed up, good as new. And the only other project I'm working on is a new battery box. I'm going to weld that together because my old one there is all rusted up. Alright guys, it's 7:30 in the morning on Wednesday, and I did not get to finish the complete job yesterday. It just started dumping rain on me in the afternoon, and I kind of had to put everything away. So today I have to finish this. The only thing I have to do is bolt down my new battery box. I did complete it, and hook up the battery, and yeah, we're good to go. But I'm kind of waiting for a break in the rain. It's still raining. So yeah. So anyways, that's what the completed job looks like. I use Rust-Oleum paint to cover up the bare metal. It's nice and thick and oil based, so rust is going to have a hard time coming back to this area of the van. And on top of that, I use a rubberized undercoating from Bondo and offer up pretty good protection. I did some more rust removal over there. And of course, it's raining on me. I can't seem to get any work done on this van without it raining on me. But today, we'll go ahead and finish her up. All right. Okay, so this is the last little project before I'm done. This is the battery tray that I made yesterday. So I just need to strip some of the paint off right here and just do a bead of weld, because it bolts. There's the mounting bolts to replace my old one here, which kind of looks like it's about to fall apart anyway. It's all corroded from years and years of battery acid. But hopefully this one will last another 30 years, and we'll see. Alright, I'm finally all done. Yay. And of course, I finished this project and it stopped raining on me. Go figure. Anyways, the new battery tray is working real good. It's nice and solid in there. It's not going anywhere.